So guys, welcome back to Parker Latham. Again, if you don't know me, my name is Parker Latham. And today we're doing a tutorial on how to make Valentine's cards. So guys, as you know, it's almost Valentine's Day. And if you don't know what Valentine's Day is a giving holiday on people who give cards and treats to almost people who they love, usually me. So usually you get flowers, cards, and chocolates. But with chocolates, you end up with a canker sore, which is not very good. So basically, I got all my arts and crafts, and we are gonna make some Valentine's cards. But for a holidays tree, I'm gonna have a total of 3, not one tutorial, 3 edited on the same day. So this means we'll have a compilation of Valentine's Day cards. I'm gonna see if I can do 3, and we may have to do 2 if we postpone one. And so let's get to it. To get started, I have got all my arts and crafts. So I got my art bag, my pink construction paper, and my scissors to cut out an official heart. And we are here to make some hearts. So first you'll have to do is cut out the paper. And if you don't know, if you're forcing to get your mother or father to get working on your Valentine's cards, well, you're in luck. This is a treat, and you are going to find out how it is like to make a Valentine's card. So we'll get right to it. So now what we are going to do is we're going to cut out a heart-shaped paper strip, and I'm going to place you right here, and it will be amazing. So now, let's get to it. In fact, I don't think I've ever made a Valentine's card since it's like, but today's Wednesday and it's time for us to get ready. Because at school, I got a Valentine's party tomorrow, so I definitely better start making it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make, it's starting to more look like a gem to me, but because I'm not really a card expert. I cannot really make hearts. So this will be a little complicated. But you'll find out how you need to make a best heart. Hang on, I gotta get this out. Okay guys, this is my heart I made. It's not good. But this is not a good heart. So, Yeah, my mom is gonna make me make my perfect Valentine's heart. So my mom is gonna explain us how to do it.
So I folded the card over, fold the paper over, cut.
Everyone knows where we gotta cut a heart. Woohoo! So this is what you gotta do. Make your heart. Instead of another nasty heart, but this is a best heart. Thanks, Mom. You're awesome.
You're welcome.
So now we got that heart. Now it's time we got to decorate it. So now, I'll see you in part 2. Welcome back to this tutorial on how to make Valentine's cards. So now I threw away all my scissors and well, I did not really do that. I did not throw away the scissors because I don't want to lose it. And it is sharp. And I don't want to be dull. But I have luster near me, which is a kind of rock. But now all I need left is to do this. Now all I have to do is decorate it for school decor. Cooper, he's my brother, and he's always doing those kinds of stuff. But let's get on to my decorators. So now I'm gonna have my mom film the rest of my Valentines so it is easier for me to decorate my hearts.
Go.
So now what you need to do is that you're gonna take one of your markers and it's time for us to decorate. So now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have my purple and make dots all over it. Now I'm gonna put some amazing stars so that Parker Latham loves you. Why do I always say? But now I'm going to make my star, which I'm going to make it as in a different color, but I'm going to put it when I'm going to have to do my other dotting on this side. So now I'm going to get a color that is mostly used for Valentine's, mostly this one, and I'm going to draw a red star. Now what you gotta do is decorate your other and make it more decorative. So now what we're gonna do is that you can make your star you can make your design other than just doing like this, but we are gonna do something else. You can make another design out of Valentine's. You don't have to copy mine because that's probably prohibited. But now it's time to do something else. I'm gonna write the word Happy Valentine's Day on the back, but it is not Valentine's Day because it's Wednesday and Valentine's Day is Sunday. Guys, we got a problem. So now what the problem is, my mom has stopped recording because she's making dinner and she's finding it's boring. So I guess I'm gonna have to film for the rest of the tutorial. But now I've connected the lines, and now what we're gonna do is just write Happy Valentine's Day. That's gonna be the rest. And now also at Kroger, I got one of these. I got Animal Crossing Valentine's But this time it includes tattoos, which is pretty weird. I'm not gonna film that because it's boring and it's gonna be rest. But so I'm gonna film the rest of the videos on the weekend, but this is gonna be our last video of, this is gonna be the last part of the Valentine's Day tutorial because I have to make my Animal Crossing Valentines, and I don't want to really film it because I'm gonna find it boring, and it's almost sundown. So now all we're gonna do is just write Happy Valentine's Day. I'm gonna do it on purple because so all you have to do is put on your cap on the bottom and then write Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's is a very big word, but I don't care. Now, if you may find this confusing, this is not Bay, it is Day. I accidentally said Happy Valentine's Day, and I wanted to look like a D, but now it's all messed up. But I don't care. Well, let's just continue. So, guys, this is what it looks like. I started here because Valentine's is a big word, and I had to do this. So I wrote Happy Valentine's Day. Great work, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. So guys, peace out.